the fuel of life. Choose healthy foods to feel strong and happy.
Eating well gives you energy for every adventure and makes your heart smile. Shine bright together.
Look at this junk food packet. It seems tempting, but it's full of empty calories. Now, look at these fresh fruits. They're packed with real nutrients. Choose natural food for real energy.
Fresh food builds strong bodies. Fresh food builds strong bodies. Fresh food builds strong bodies.
Small food changes bring big health results. Eating vegetables gives you strong muscles and a healthy heart. They're packed with vitamins to keep you energetic and bright. Healthy choices create a healthy life.
Eat natural. Stay powerful. Water gives life to every cell. It keeps us energized and focused throughout the day. That's why hydration is simple sip makes all the difference.
This dry leaf is like us without water, brittle and lifeless. This is the power of vitality. Stay hydrated, stay alive. Embrace this change.
Your body needs water every day. Too much sugar steals your energy. Great job, everyone! Now drink water before thirst arrives. It's super important to stay hydrated after all that exercise. Come on, let's drink together. Water is our best friend. Water is natural medicine. Movement keeps life strong. Move your body every day.
Feel so alive!
It's not just fun, it's essential.
Let's get moving, everyone! Arms up high, stretch. Now sway side to side. Great job! Exercise brings happiness. Hi, everyone. Let's start with a simple stretch. Reach one arm up high, like this. Feel that stretch. Now, the other side. Great. Small movement, big results. Keep it up.
Hey, lazy bear, let's go for a walk.
Walking is so much effort.
Start small, but start today.
Okay, Miko, one step at a time.
An active body is a healthy body.
Take care of your health, your life will shine. Healthy habits create happy mornings.
Calm mind, strong body. Begin by sitting comfortably, hand being on your chest. How to rest in this peace. Think positive, live better. It's not just words, it's the key to a happier in your life. Start today, believe in the good, and watch your life improve.
Good sleep restores energy.
Rest is essential for healing.